Come on, Bollywood movies you have all watched. What I'm telling you based on well-researched academic articles. Some of the Hindus started to believe Ali was an avatar of Vishnu. They had these characters. Rama, his brother Lakshman, good people. Rama's wife Sita, and the bad guy? Who? Come on, Bollywood movies you have all watched. Ravan. Ravan was the bad guy. So they said, okay, the story of Karbala tells us that Hussein is the embodiment of Rama. His brother Abbas is Lakshman. And either Zainab or the wife of Hussein or wives of Hussein are like Sita. And Yazeed, the accursed, is a Ravan. That's what they started to believe. Some stupid people with twisted hearts say, Shia, they're like Hindus. Stupid. Your IQ level is so low, you can't understand what I'm talking about.